Hello and welcome. You're watching HCN News Bulletin. Hi, I'm Sonia. Let's take a look at the top stories today.
Names of prospective candidates for Lok Sabha elections held even as names across rest of the country are being declared. PTA members of a school from Talegaon filed complaint against the headmistress regarding harassment meted out to students as well as teachers. Unknown activities happening inside school premises during the night time, says one teacher. The maximum temperature in Goa recorded at 37 degrees Celsius. Humidity during the day recorded at 45%, which is second highest day temperature ever recorded in this month so far.
And now the news in detail. After the rally organized by the Congress party at Loya Maidan, there seems to be some cracks that have developed within the party, since names of the prospective candidates for the Lok Sabha elections have been held even after the rest of the country names have been declared.
The Central Congress put out a second list with 71 names on Thursday, but names of its Goa Lok Sabha candidates did not figure therein. Bureau Report HCN.
PTA members of a school from Talegaon have filed a complaint against their headmistress at the Pancham police station regarding the harassment meted out to the students as well as the teachers. One of the teachers also alleged that some unknown activities were happening inside the school premises during the night time.
Speaking to the media, a teacher of the school, Shweta Parab, said that some unidentified activities were happening inside the premises of the school.
प्रॉब्लेम चलता रातचे आफ्टर 7 आणि लेट नाईट 12:30 o'clock पासून नेबर्सो आपल्याक सांगता स्कुलाच्यो ह्या लायटी चालू आसता म्हणून कितें तरी चलता आणि हे सांगलां आणि तेजे नेक्स्ट डे कितें जालें की स्पोर्ट्स रूम आहा तितून आमकां हे बॅड्स बीन दिसले आसलेले ते मागीर पिवनाक त्या दिसा सांगलें विन्संट नांवाचो पिवन आसलेलो ताका सांगलें की वयर जे कुशन्स आसा बेडशीट आसा ते धुवन घाल म्हणून हेजे वयल्यान तो इशू हो आसना त्या दिसाच्यान आमी त्या स्कुलाचेर वॉच दवरलो सांजचो आणि ह्या वर्सा हांवें हेजेर लिगल एक्शन म्हणून कितें केलें की हांव तालिगांवानूच स्कुला कडेन फ्लॅट रेंटल घेवन रावता सो इवनींग अशें कितें जाता की ना हें पळोवपाक आमी पेरंट्स आनी हांव मोस्टली त्या स्कुला कडेन वयता आनी चडशी 7च्या नंतर ती थंय आसता सगळ्या स्कुलाच्यो लायटी कितें चलता म्हणल्यार जॉन्ट्स लोक खूब येतात आणि ह्याचो तुमकां जर क्रॉस चेक करपाक जाय जाल्यार थंय स्विपर रावता त्या बिल्डिंगेन तेचें नांव लक्ष्मी ते आमकां प्रत्येक दिसाचो असो रिकॉर्ड दिता कितें चलता भितर कोण येयल्लो कितें चलता तें.
The PTA members held a press briefing to explain the atrocities and illegalities in the school on the students by the headmistress. Speaking to the media, one of the PTA members said that the students were afraid to complain about the issue. She also demanded that the headmistress be rusticated.
हॅरेसमेंट करतात आणि मेंटली टॉर्चर आणि फिजिकली टॉर्चर करतात.
तेजेर तुम्ही ॲक्शन कितें घेतला एक केन्ना वर्सां पण चालू आसलें तुमी म्हाका सांगा.
खूब केन्नासून स्टार्ट जाला तेन्नासून हे स्टार्ट ते सगळे.
सो तुमकां भुरग्यांनी केन्ना कंप्लेंट करूं ना तुमचे
भुरगीं भिता न्हू कशी कंप्लेंट करता.
सो आतां तुमकां कशें एकजूट कशें येयलें आनी कितें करूंक सोदता.
ते गीता म्हूण आसा ती सगळ्या पेरंट्साक एकटे केली आनी सगळ्याक सपोर्ट केली ते ताका लागून आमी बी सपोर्ट केला.
बरें कितें मागणी कितें आसा तुमची PTA
आमकां प्रिंसिपल नाका ते.
Students of the school also expressed what torture they had faced.
मैं कार्टून्स के बारे में ऐसा बात किया ना दोस्त से तो फिर टीचर जाकर प्रिंसिपल को बोली ना तो प्रिंसिपल आके मेरे को बोली कि स्कूल से जब बच्चे जाएंगे ना स्कूल के बाद तो तुम्हें रुकना पड़ेगा. फिर मैं रुका ना बाद में मेरे को बोला आज तो तुम्हें बांध के रखूँगी. फिर बांधा मुँह भी बांधा हाथ से पैर बांधा फिर पकड़ के रस्सी विंडो है ना विंडो पे ऐसा रखा था 5 मिनट के लिए.
5 मिनट के लिए और इसके अलावा और कुछ किया है.
और टॉयलेट साफ करने को दिया.
कितने बार किया.
3 बार.
उसके लिए क्या कारण था.
वही बात कर रहा था.
हांव 2 मिनटां स्कुलाक लेट जालोलो पळय तेन्ना म्हाका टॉयलेट घासपाक लायलें.
कोणी घासपाक लायलें.
आमचे प्रिंसिपल
नांव कितें.
मारिया जिता आल्फान्सो. टिचरींक बीन गाळी सोवताली हॅरेसमेंट करताली.
खंयची टिचरी गाळी सोवता.
ती KGची शिना मॅम
ताका गाळी सोवताली.
हय
कोण सोवता.
प्रिन्सिपल
आम्ही ऐकलेले आणि पळयले सुद्दां आमी सगळीं खेळटालीं न्हू तेन्ना ती टिचरींग गाळी सरताली आनी शीना मॅम आसा न्ही तिका मारताली सुद्दां ती
शिला मॅम
हय
आणि रामचरण तो आसा तेजे भुरगे वांगडा कितें जालें सांगू शकता?
तो उलयतालो म्हणून ताका विंडोंतल्यान भायर हँग केलेलें आनी तोंडाक असो कपडो घातलेलो ताणें क्यूच्यो मारतलो म्हणून
तेजे उपरांत तुमच्या आईक बी तुवें कितें सांगलें अशें स्कुलान जाता बी म्हणून?
हांवें सांगूंक नासलें
कित्याक
म्हाका
सांगूना?
भिरांत दिसताली
तुका कितें पनिशमेंट?
म्हाका मेंटली टॉर्चर केल्लो तिणी 3rd स्टँडर्डाक आसतना हांवें फकत हिस्ट्री बुकार डेट बरोवंक नासली म्हणून म्हाका म्हाज्या क्लासी फूल स्कुलाच्या समोर म्हणटाली हांव क्लासींतले बिगस्ट चाड्यार रे म्हणून.
One of the teachers, speaking to the media, said that teachers were not allowed to talk to their colleagues as well as to parents.
ह्या स्कुलाची जी हेडमिस्ट्रेस आसा ती भुरग्यांक आनी टिचरांक आनी पेरंट्सांक सगळ्यांकूच हॅरेस करता.
कशें तरांनी हॅरेस करता?
म्हणजे ती आतां स्कुलाची PTA मिटींग आसता तितून ती टिचरांक एंट्री दिना. PTA मिटींग आसता त्या दिसा तांकां भितर क्लासांनी भुरग्यां बरोबर लॉक करता. आमकां हांगा स्कुलान स्टाफ रूमूय दिलेलो ना. जेन्ना पेरंट्स केन्नाय कसले विचारले की अमकी टिचर कित्याक येवना ओपन डेज टिचरींक मेळपाक कित्याक गावना जाल्यार ती सांगता की तुमकां विचारपाक कांय रायट ना. हांव ह्या इश्कॉलाची होल एंड सोल आसा, हांव फावंडर आसा. आपूण असली की जाली टिचरांची तुमकां कांय गरज ना.
सो आनी तुमकां केन्ना कितें हॅरेसमेंट
ती अशी टिचरी उलयले दिसले जाल्यार इंटरकॉमा वयल्यान उलयता आनी सकयल आपयता. जर आतां हांव म्हाजे कलीग शर्मिला मॅम आसा तेंचे कडेन उलयल्लें दिसलें जावं पुनव टिचर आसा तेजे कडेन उलयल्लें दिसलें कोणाय कडेन उलोव ती रोखडी सकयल इंटरकॉमा वयल्यान अनाउन्समेंट धाडटा आनी सोमतोच मॅमो इश्यू करता की द रूल ऑफ द स्कूल इज टीचर शूड नॉट टॉक वीथ टीचर म्हणटा. टीचर शूड नॉट टॉक वीथ पेरंट. हें अशें दिसलें रस्त्यार पेरंटान कोणें अडकिलें आनी आपल्या भुरग्याचो रिपोर्ट विचारलो कशें चल्लां कशें कितें जाल्यारूय त्या टिचराक मॅमोज इश्यू जाता.
Amar Chavaria for HCN.
The summer has just begun and the temperatures have been increasing every day. The maximum temperature on Thursday unexpectedly in Goa was recorded at a 37 degrees Celsius by the Meteorology Department. Humidity during the day was recorded at 45%. This was the second highest day's temperature ever recorded this month so far.
One of the staff members of the Meteorology Department in Panjim, Mr. N. Haridasan, informed that the temperature has been increasing day by day and that they have already taken note of the same. When HCN questioned him on whether there is any reason for the rise in temperatures or have come to any conclusion on the same, the staff casually replied saying that they will study the matter. HCN also questioned Mr. N. Haridasan about the benefit of the Meteorological Center in Panjim to the public. Secondly, we also asked whether any awareness or workshop has been conducted regarding the weather and climate of the state in Goa, but there were no answers to the questions. This shows that the very existence of the Meteorological Center is not justified, has been just neglected, and its very purpose is not met since the department has been understaffed. Amar Chavaria for HCN.
Let's take a short break. We will be back soon. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Former editor-in-chief of Telka, Tarun Tejpal, failed to get relief from the High Court after his bail application was rejected on the grounds that he is likely to flee from justice and influence the witnesses.
Tejpal had approached the High Court of Bombay at Goa on February 8th, 3 weeks after his bail application was turned down by the North District and Sessions Court on similar grounds. Single bench Judge U.V. Bakre, while pronouncing the order, did not rule out the possibility of Tejpal influencing the witnesses and running away from justice. The senior journalist is charge sheeted for raping, sexually harassing and outraging the modesty of a woman colleague in the lift of a hotel where Telka's annual Think Fest conclave was underway on the 7th of November. Bureau Report.
A consumer literacy program was organized at Margao as a part of the ongoing civic and consumer literacy awareness drive. The program was organized by Goa Can in association with Legal Aid Society Margao, Free Legal Aid Cell of Salgaonkar Law College and Our Lady of the Rosary High School, Fatorda.
Addressing the gathering, Goa Can coordinator Roland Martin said the consumer should be alert in stressing on the quality of goods they buy for their personal use.
Today I would like to stress on the rights given to us under the Consumer Protection Act. Most consumers would find that this act is like any other law or legislation, something that is only for law students. But I would like to say that it's an act which is a beneficial legislation. It is so useful for everybody. It's just that you need to understand what are the rights offered to consumers under this act. Passed in 1986, it has been a subject for a lot of litigation, but by and large the consumers have never really benefited because of the lack of awareness. So today I would really focus on the 6 rights that consumers are given under this act, and if we can understand these rights, I'm sure all of you will be able to in a very practical way benefit from them.
He later told the media that the consumer should be made aware of their rights in the purchase and use of mobile phones.
Issue that is being highlighted is the rights of the consumers regarding mobile phones. Mobile phones is now become a major issue for consumers. These phones have become very smart. People have internet access and watch TV programs on these phones. And worldwide there has been now a campaign that the rights of consumers need to be protected with regards to usage of the phones, the mobile towers, radiation levels in these phones, as well as the cost of the services provided. Whether it is the actual phone itself or the services provided by the cell operators. As far as billing is concerned, talk time, all these issues are being raised on 15 March, and Goa Can is also going to be part of this campaign.
Deputy in charge of Margao Free Legal Aid Cell, Rosebel Barreto, said every consumer should know their right.
Be aware of their rights, and we want people to be aware of each and every right of their being a consumer. So the consumer day, that's not too far away, that's somewhere on the 15th. So we just want each and every member to know their rights, and that's the reason we're trying to have this program that's organized by the Margao Free Legal Aid Cell Service, in which we just make people, we gather people around, and we try to spread awareness amongst them. We try to spread, we try to explain each and every right and where they can file their complaints and where exactly they can go for in case if they have any problem. So we just want them just to be aware of everything and everything that literally goes against their will and wish, against the products that they buy.
With Santosh Mirajkar, Guilherme Almeida for HCN.
Basic computer training program was inaugurated at the hands of Aldona MLA Glenn Tiklo on the occasion of his birthday. The training program was organized by Rotary Club of Panjim at Riviera.
Aldona MLA Glenn Tiklo requested people to offer 1 minute silence to mark the death anniversary of the first CM of Goa, late Dayanand Bandonkar, which coincidentally happened to be Tiklo's birthday.
1 minute silence in the honor of him of our late Chief Minister Dayanand Bandonkar. In fact, he was a great Chief Minister. He was remembered, will always be remembered. And he happens to be from, I'm born on his birthday. So let us observe 1 minute silence before I say my children.
Prakash Gadekar for HCN.
India today deployed 4 warships and aircrafts to locate the missing jetliner, which has been untraceable for the past 6 days, even as Malaysia debunked the false leads which the Chinese satellite images put up regarding suspected debris in waters of Vietnam's southern coast.
Joining the massive international search operations, India pressed into service 6 aircraft surveillance P-8I planes and 3 helicopters under the name Operation Searchlight. Bureau Report HCN.
And before we wind up, here's a look at the headlines once again.
Names of prospective candidates for Lok Sabha elections held even as names across rest of the country are being declared. PTA members of a school from Talegaon filed complaint against the headmistress regarding harassment meted out to students as well as teachers. Unknown activities happening inside school premises during the night time, says one teacher. The maximum temperature in Goa recorded at 37 degrees Celsius. Humidity during the day recorded at 45%, which is second highest day temperature ever recorded in this month so far.
That's all from our side. Stay tuned to HCN. Take care and goodbye.